tapeworm that came out from my mouth.
Let's say a word.
Say
This is
something.
a tapeworm. Growthy.
Gross like
It lives in your tummy.
It's in your tummy. Oh man, sure. Okay, come on, let's stop it now. They're gonna say, ew.
I'm
Hi, this is
excited.
Leah. I'm showing you the tapeworm.
Bye.
Bye. That's all for the.
You didn't drink your chocolate.
It's so cold.
Oh, cold or warm?
That's tapeworm.
Lives in the chocolate milk? No.
Does tapeworm turn alive in your tummy?
Yeah.
When you slip,
You
when
have
it's
one.
dirty?
You have one in your tummy.
No, I don't. I don't have a tapeworm.
Auntie Dora's joking.
It's only when you swim in dirty water. I don't.
And you live in a dirty place.
That when stuff comes happy.
What does it say there though? How did you get it? Can you read?
It doesn't show.
Are you saying this is cold now? It's still hot and warm.
I said it's hot.
Do you want a spoon?
No, I said yes. Give me spoonie now, or I'll.
Okay, what's the word? The manners? Are you forgetting your manners? How you say thank you in Tagalog? Here. Walang salamat.
Salamat. Oh, that's nice. You did it.